Hello everyone, welcome back to Pably. So in this video, we are going to learn how to set up webhook inside Clenty. So Clenty is a sales engagement tool that helps sales teams automate their outreach and follow-up tasks. With Clenty, you can create customized email campaigns, schedule automatic follow-ups, and track how prospects interact with your messages all from one platform. People use Clenty because it saves time and increases efficiency by handling repetitive tasks, allowing sales professionals to focus on building relationships and closing deals. It provides valuable insights into which strategies are most effective, helping to refine and improve sales processes, whether you are a part of small business or a large organization. Clenty makes managing your sales workflow easier and more productive. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can connect your Clenty account with any other application using an automation software in order to send the information from Clenty to any other application. So here to set up this connection, we are going to use a type of integration that is webhook. So here webhook is going to act as a bridge between your Clenty account and Pably Connect so that it can send the information from Clenty to Pably Connect on a specific event, and then further you can send this information to any other application easily. Basically, they are like instant messengers for apps. So here, before moving forward with this connection, here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now here to set up a connection, we are going to set up our trigger first, and here in our trigger step, we are going to choose our trigger application as Clenty. And here in my trigger event, I'm going to select my event as Start Cadence. But you can select a trigger event for prospect unsubscribe, mail opened, mail clicked, mail bounced, on send prospect, cadence reply, cadence completed without reply. So now here the question stands is, what is cadence? So cadence is a sequence of emails and tasks to follow up with prospects. A cadence can be created for all kinds of outreach, cold emails to new prospects, following up with inbound leads, and so on. A cadence has multiple steps, and you can choose if a step will be email, call, or a task. So here I've selected my trigger event, and here you can see I have received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my Clenty account with Pably Connect for a specific event, that is Start Cadence. So here, following the instructions given below, here I'm going to copy this webhook URL, and here I've already logged in my Clenty account. And from here, I'm going to click on the settings. And here under Clenty settings, I'm going to go under integrations. And under integrations, you can see we have received the option for webhooks. So here I'm going to click on this. And here you can see we have received the option for webhooks over here. So here I'm going to click on this add webhook event. And here you can see it is asking me to select the webhook event. So as you all know that I have selected my trigger event as Start Cadence. So here I'm going to select my event as Start Cadence. Now here, after selecting this event, here it is asking for webhook URL. So here I'm going to enter the webhook URL which I've copied from Pably's window. So here I've entered the webhook URL, and now here, after entering both the details, here I'm going to click on this add option given over here. So here you can see we have successfully set up the webhook here. So now let's go back to our Pably's window, and here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission, and to do a test submission, we need to create a new cadence in our Clenty account. So here to create a cadence, let me take you to my Clenty account. And here, before creating a cadence, make sure you have already created a prospect for that cadence. So as I have already created a prospect for my cadence, so I'm going to skip that step and move forward. So here to start the cadence, I'm going to select a cadence option from here. And from here, I'm going to select cadence. And from here, I'm going to click on this create cadence option given over here. I'm going to select build on your own. And here I have to select the first step for my cadence. And as you all know that a cadence has multiple steps, and you can choose if a step will be an email, call, or a task. So here I'm going to select my first step as mail. Here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the subject, I'm going to write the subject as testing mail. And here I'm going to enter some random body such as hello team. I hope this mail finds you well. I'm just doing a test submission. And here I've added the dummy data because here I'm going to do a test submission. But here you can add the details as per your need. And now here after adding all the details, here I'm going to click on this add email. So here you can see I have successfully added a mail step here. And if you want to add new steps, then you can click on this add button given over here and add new steps as per your need. So here as I'm doing a test submission, so here I'm going to add the single step only. So now here after adding this step, I'm going to click on this next given over here. And again I'm going to click next. And then here it is asking me for add prospects to Kadence. So as I've already told you that you have to create your prospect first before creating a Kadence. So as I've already created a new prospect, so here I'm going to click on this. And from here I'm going to select the existing prospect. And from here I'm going to select all my prospects. And then I'm going to click on this review. And then I'm going to click on this start Kadence. And here you can see it says your Kadence is now live. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's window. And here you can see we have successfully received a response here where we have received the prospect owner name, list, last name, full name, first name, event, email and some other details. So with this we have successfully set up our trigger. So now once we have set up this connection, then whenever a new Kadence is going to start, automatically Pabbly Connect will receive a response over here. And after receiving a response over here, you can forward that response to any other application. For example, working for a customer support, I have started a new Kadence for the customers. And now I want to inform my team lead about the Kadence which I have started. So for that, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select my action application as Google Chat or as Gmail, so that whenever I start a new Kadence, automatically the information of that Kadence should be shared with my team lead through any communication platform. So for that, I'm going to select my trigger as Clenty and my action as that application. So by building this connection, you can send the information from one application to another application in one go. Okay, so these were the steps to how to set up a webhook inside Clenty. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.